Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we have an exciting add-on for all you Raspberry Pi Pico and Pico W users out there. It's the Elecfreaks WuKong 2040, a versatile board that brings some impressive features to your projects. Let's dive right in. The Elecfreaks WuKong 2040 is an add-on board designed specifically for the Raspberry Pi Pico and Pico W. What sets it apart is the inclusion of a large 18650 battery holder on top of the board, allowing you to power your projects for up to an hour. Plus, you can conveniently recharge the battery using the onboard micro USB port. But that's not all. Underneath the board, there's a Lego-compatible frame. Perfect for integrating your Pico and board into Lego-based electronics projects. Now, let's see how well these features work and if we can build something exciting with them. I put the WuKong 2040 to the test, and here's what I found. The WuKong 2040 doesn't require any specific software library installation, which means you have direct access to the GPIO via any compatible programming language. Simply insert your Raspberry Pi Pico into the header pins. One thing to note is that the micro USB port on the WuKong 2040 is reserved for charging the 18650 cells, not for programming the Pico itself. Speaking of batteries, make sure to use a flat-top 18650 battery to avoid excessive force on the spring steel contacts. Safety is paramount when working with these high-capacity batteries, so handle them with care and store them properly when not in use. To write code for the Raspberry Pi Pico, you'll need to connect it to the Pico's own micro USB port. While this might lead to some wear and tear on the Pico's port over time, it's the standard method of programming. The GPIO pins are conveniently broken out via signal, voltage, and ground pins, providing easy access to 3V and GND for every connection. This simplifies the wiring process and makes it more convenient for various projects. The WuKong 2040 truly shines when it comes to connecting and controlling servos. The SVG pinout matches perfectly with servos, allowing you to connect and control up to 12 servos with a little bit of code. Additionally, the board features 4 motor terminals, connected to GPIO pin breakouts via specialized chips. While there isn't much information available on these specific chips, they function effectively as motor controllers, allowing for forward and backward motion. I connected 2 Lego-compatible DC motors and wrote some lines of MicroPython code to spin a robot around my desk. The onboard NeoPixels are bright and easy to use with both MicroPython and CircuitPython. Elecfreaks recommends using Adafruit's CircuitPython, which I used for a quick test. However, I did encounter a minor issue. To see the NeoPixels illuminate, I had to swap the micro USB port from the Pico to the WuKong 2040. This workflow can be a bit inconvenient and potentially confusing for newcomers. Now, let's talk about the Lego-compatible frame underneath the mainboard. Designed to work with Technic and Lego Spike components, this frame allows for seamless integration of the WuKong 2040 and your Pico into Lego-based projects. Whether you're building a robot or an interactive art installation, the compatibility and flexibility of this frame make it a fantastic feature. At just £10, the Elecfreaks WuKong 2040 offers an impressive range of features. While the micro USB issue may be a minor annoyance, the board's overall functionality and ease of use make it well worth it. The onboard 18650 battery holder and charging system are extremely useful. And the GPIO pin breakout, although not complete, provides ample connectivity for most projects. Printing the GPIO pin reference on the board is handy. But it would have been even better if it included references for I2C, SPI, and UART pins as well. However, the real fun comes with the Lego-compatible base. Whether you're in a classroom, makerspace, or working on a homebrew project, the WuKong 2040's versatility and compatibility with Lego components make it a fantastic all-rounder. That wraps up our review of the Elecfreaks WuKong 2040. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews and projects, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.